Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the Libertex application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Libertex app on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage, you will see the sign up as well as the login button. Go ahead and tap on sign up in order to create your new account. Now you have three different options. You can use your email address as well as your Google or Apple account. Tap on the Google or Apple logo if you wish to proceed with these. Otherwise, enter your preferred email address within the email box. Then just type in the password that you wish to set for your account, and now you can tap on the continue button. Now agree with the terms and conditions and proceed forward, and you will then be told to check your inbox. So just log into your email and you will find a mail from Libertex where you will see the link to confirm your email address. Go ahead and tap on this link, and now your account will successfully be verified. You can now tap on the start trading button in order to start your trading journey right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Libertex trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.